Rarely will you find a townhome like this one on a point of Lake DeSoto. Walk in and you immediately see the glistening water from every room. Be ready to entertain either inside, out on the deck or at the water's edge. Come to play and you will want to stay. Covered boat dock. Workshop under the townhome. Numerous updates including flooring. Kitchen updated 2019. Master bath updated 2017. Front porch added 2004. Enclosed patio 2006. Vinyl siding 2008. HB 2014. Roof 2019. TA $68, trash $27, POA 69.26.